Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install an air intake for a 1993 BMW 389. These are the things that you need. A 3-inch sensor adapter plate. You can get this at eBay for about $13 including shipping. And a 10mm socket. And of course your 3-inch air filter. And that's all you need. There are 5 nuts to be removed. 4 inside the air filter housing and 1 on the side. What you need to do is loosen the connector plug and remove it and unscrew this screw right here. Okay, got that one done. Now we need to remove these 4 bolts. So now inside the air filter housing you will see 4 bolts and they should look like this. Okay, I've tightened the screw and put back the connector plug again, and you should see 4 bolts being exposed. Okay, running into a little problem here. These 4 original nuts would not go into the bolts because of the washer part. This part here, it's actually too big to go into the bolt, so you need to get a new nut. Okay, I've tightened the nuts, so we have a new air mass adapter sensor, so the filter is ready to be installed. And there she is. You can get this OBX Sports air intake at eBay for about $25. So you should gain about 7 to 10 horsepower on these things. So it's not a bad thing to do. Cost me about $50 for everything. And there you go. All you gotta do is tighten the clamp here, and that's all.
And this is what the intake sounds like.